welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix is Dwayne. And Dwayne came up for Tina. He's saying that Donna had, forgiven her and gave her a chance over and over again. And she still continued. So go listen to what Dwayne has to say, as he has a lot to say about Tina. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share and like and comment on this video.
If me keep on flip flopping, me I gonna lose my cool. Tina Chin, why is it since me stop Costana? The same people them hold it over, including you, who was cheering me on. Oh, come the one on a gun now. I want a gun. We want a gun. We part on a gun. But is it because me not Costana now? I'm decide alright. Me gonna start love back pandana. It born enough. So say alright, cool. Your jaw with your people them. Tina Chin, I don't care what you say. Enough time Donna come out there and try me peace with you from 2020. The last time I can remember Donna try me peace with you 2021 where you call her cake cow down cake. And the last time the woman say, "In not calling him again." And me not tell no lie because more please Donna, I more please you, I more please the plants. Me not please nobody but myself. Me come to contact the truth. You multiple times you go pay your life, and your class side, you talk you're not body shame and everything you go pay your life, you call her big fridge, big stove, bertha, say she have titty on her back and you also say our back look like our front and our front look like her. But Tina, you have done a lot of damage. I'm not care what you say. You is very bitter. You're very evil and you're very calculated. You, Marion, what you're a very calculated human being. To the point, say, you actually felt compelled to use a brain injury person who you knew loved that woman against her. And look at it now. It backfire now, Paya. So, what you want to do? Y'all come black me to the woman. Come in your peer because say you're bitter. I'm gonna kill you. You know me realize? When your sister, you can't jump on your side, you block that page, you block trending, right? And then you unblock me, and recently when I say, me start jump back pandana, or me start jump back for Dana and team Dana. Well, not team Dana, me just a cheer for Dana, you block me again. Me say, brown dog, why you block me for? Tina, if I had known then, say, you was using me the same way you use many other bloggers out here. And Tina, if you push more call them name. Me will call the blogger them name where you join team with. If you bring down that, I may not care. At no point, none of you can tell me, say, me join a team with none of you. Me class off, me say kind. She said things one way burn me. And that was the difference between her and me and Uno. Me class off because she said things about me, well burn me. So me burn him back. Right? None of you can ever tell me, say, me go join no team. If you bring me down, no crazy. Anything I say, me say that out of my own amount. Because me did Bex. Right? But Tina Chin, I am going to say wholeheartedly, you is wicked because you, every opportunity you get, you kept on using that thing when I got Donna yard against me. I come up and cuss Donna. And every time I cuss her, you have my page. Yes, dude! He's a wicked dog. And Tina Chin, I am going to say openly, I despise you. I really despise you. You are social media. You're a thorn on social media. You're a very bitter human being. Most of the people you come out to your war with ya cuss Donna, ya cuss Noel, ya cuss Majesty, ya cuss Alicia, and Alicia look a pit there. Alika Josh, ya cuss. Alika Josh. You are cuss Tina. But as soon as they say something about your daughter, you want come out to come play a victim. Man, look by you out here, a cuss up, lick a picnic. At the time, make sure say Joshua was no more than 9-year-old, no more than 9 years old, and you have the audacity to come out here, cuss up and lick a boy because you try to use a little boy as a weapon against him, adapting. Man, this you're wicked, you're damn wicked. I'm Tina Chin. I swear to God, at this point, me feel like say it's full time you leave social media because you really are a disgrace. You're not only a disgrace to yourself, but you're a disgrace to your pitting them. You're a disgrace to your parents, and you're also a disgrace to God. Yeah, girl. Only tell me, me tell lie, only tell me I tell lie. Tell me. She talks, she not body shame nobody. And I'm telling you, multiple times she go put her life, she body shame Donna. What about time she put her life? She called Donna big fridge, big stove. Donna front look at him back, and him back look at him front. And nobody shame that. And nobody shame that. Tina Chin, look in the mirror. And ask yourself if the body with Dr. Miami gear, if it killed. Every time people come out there and class about your upside the bottom, you start naming yourself. So don't you see that the same knife a stick sheep, it stick goat too. And you don't like when it stick you back. So you know see it's a bully, yeah, bully Dana. And people are bully you back. But every time it come at you, you want to come out to come play victim. How does that make sense, Marianne Watts? How does that make sense? Come on, we chat. Oh, it makes sense. But me forgot to share from my other page. How does that make sense? Tinish, me I tell you the truth, he's a wicked dog. He's a wicked dog because me I tell you openly, if you can use at me where you know said doctor touch my brain and you use my sickness without a talk up on the live stream for hide me from what to come cuss Donna, that shows that you don't have no ethics, you don't have no values, and you definitely don't have no principles. Because you know, say you lose the battle, you lose the war, and for you for a draft for a sick puppy like me, you for a draft one sick puppy like me, one sick cripple like me, Tina Chin, you use me, one cripple. To do a little dirty work for you. And when I realize me jump up on that ship now, you block me. Tell me if I tell lie. Tell me I tell lie. Say, but wait, me say, chill back for Donna, you block me. He's a dog. Tina, she is a dog. Tina, I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you for using me and manipulating me to come out here and do the nastiness what you do. Cause you know what this do to me now? This now make the people them who me wants to cheer for, them start to hate me now because our you plant in my head. And you know say me is a brain injured person. And teaching for that, me not tell you no like I will never forgive you. Me not forgive you because you know say me sick, me have brain injury, and my brain injury situation with that nigga type up on the page, you kept on pulling and just poke. And everything you poke me, me come out here, come cuss that. I call one name. Sharon say, do you know something that you do? Every time she fling you somewhere in her life and you hear it, it trigger you. Every time she fling it in her life and she talk about Donna, and the thing when she talk about Donna with Donna, it trigger you. At that Tina Chin one, I'm not telling like Sharon, if me tell lie, come on to come tell me say I lie because you tell me say Tina Chin I use that because she want trigger me, because she want me to do a nasty work for her. Tina Chin is a wicked dog. You Tina Chin. And when we start realize the tactics now, me start lick out by you. Me say, listen, you not anyone else out here, one will never have the opportunity to use my brain trauma, what I'm not talk about pan me, and use it for me to concuss Dana. Tina, she a wicked. Tina, she is a wicked woman. Tina, she imagine, let me show you wicked. When they talk about your daughter we have cancer, and because me know me a sick puppy, I say Jesus Christ. Me say no, people don't enough to do that because me, I know how it feels to go through very traumatizing experience. What me don't know if me gonna live or me gonna dead. I did not know. And teaching you use it against me. You're a wicked dog. I will never forgive you. And teaching you can never, you, Marion Waters, will never get the opportunity again to manipulate my brain and thump and Donna. Listen, me feel bad, you know? Me feel bad. And why me feel bad? I shouldn't feel bad. I you feel bad. I you feel feel bad. You feel bad for you to tell me. I you feel bad and not me. Why me feel bad? Because you have a heart. You don't have a heart. It's a wicked dog. Your heart black. Like your black teeth them. Open them up, I could see them out with the black teeth them. Go so I'm proper then. Make them put this a white filling. Cause the blacks in your mouth, it look nasty. It look like you have gum disease, girl. No, darling. And you can't cause brown teeth and medicine cause my teeth make it brown. I could talk about your look at them up, open them up. I don't want to laugh. I don't want to laugh. I don't want to laugh. Think you're wicked. He's a wicked dog. All the people you come out there cuss. Noel, as much as Noel don't like me don't like it because Noel cuss me a couple times. Cuss out my clot. Noel cuss out my clot couple times. Right? The things we know and he come cuss me. But teach me, I tell you so openly and publicly say, yo, every opportunity you get, you text it pan Noel, you text it pan Majesty, you text it pan chocolate and vanilla. Don't get wrong, you know. Them classy too. But you go after them more than them come after you. And most of them these days, me I tell you the truth, I don't see none of them looking at you. So you should not have nothing in your mindset to say, all right, them, let me trouble them. Because them not trouble you. And not just that, teenager, not just that. You say something for your live stream today. You say, try running for the, try make this stop. Teenager, let us be real. You do not want to stop, guys. If you want to stop, look at me. Me tap cuss. Me not cuss nobody. Me tap cuss. Right? Why can't you do the same too? Why you can't say, all right, me done now. I'm just done. The last thing come out there and say, I am done. Me not come out to cuss with hey, B, C, and D. And look at you now, one miserable blood finger creature, one miserable creature. Teenage is a damn demon. And you is one of the, you see you teenaging? You're out here and you're out here corrupting our people against each other. You is like one of the driving forces out here that's keeping us divided. And it's not cute. It's full time. You stop this nastiness. Look at me, a sick puppy. You have the audacity to come use me, one sick cripple dog, pan Donna, because you know some me love Donna, and you know some my word them, I got it Donna more than your word. You just say a dog, you're drunk, you're shit house. Teacher, I will never forgive you. I would never forgive you, God. I swear to God, I would never forgive. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you, Marianne Watts. I will not do it. Cause you done me wrong. Not just you. All your followers, them will keep up what was over here cheer me on. I will never forgive them either. I will never forgive them either because what I know say, my brain touch and on kept on pulling for the one thing what I know say was triggering me all the time surrounding Donna. Donna say, me look a boy that big man body. I always say, when me I walk in front of her house, she zoom up. You teenager, you said Donna zoom up on me and show me big sort of foot them. And you know the funny thing teenager what me do? When me ear keep on say that nonsense to me swear to God, me go back, go watch the video, me go back, go look for the video for myself. When me see that taxi I pull for me go back, go watch the video for myself. And all the things you always pay life to a chat say, I saw none of the above. You're a wicked bitch. Sorry. But the truth is you're wicked. Teacher is wicked. Along to that text it Pandana. And not just Dana. Every team we jump on for bring on Dana, them always turn back and class you. For sure say, yes, evil. And the people we have always try join with, them have a little heart. I never see so. Me never Chantel, I did not see. Me go look for myself. Me go back on the live stream. When me go look for Plank Boss. Me go back and look at the video. Me go down to the part where me I walk where to see if Donna really zoom in and show the plank me solid foot them. And that did not happen. And Tina Chin, every time you go up your live stream, every time your sister me I jump back over Donna, you draw the car there. You draw the car there. And they draw me right back and bring me to me get nasty again. He's a wicked dog. Tina Chin, I will never forgive you. You's a fucking bitch. Sorry. I'm sorry, but the truth is, you're wicked. You're wicked. Every time you say me I love Pandana again. You draw card for me, you draw card, you kept on draw card. And hello, whoever came for me on the 4th of June. Me not stop fine corner because on a drama back, on a drama kill my damn senses. Think you're wicked, you're damn wicked. You're wicked. Every time you come out here, you draw a card, say people that about your daughter. Then one on there, you go up your live stream and cuss me, say me a cripple, me, all kind of thing you talk about me. So what me, I'm not someone's child too. Remember the last live stream, I come out here, me talk for your daughter. I have never, and I will never come out here and cuss somebody for having any kind of illness. And when you realize, say, the day when we come out to go make peace with Donna, I make peace with Chris, I make peace with everybody else who want to make peace with. You be flinging there, you jump your election and you cuss me out, you call me cripple, you call... that, man, I will never forgive you for. I will never forgive you for that to Tina Chin. Because me no say, the whole of uno, me did have good intention because me want peace for everybody. But you and the other end, all you did want is people to fight your back of them for you. You're wicked. I mean, like people, Tina Chin is wicked and don't trust her. She's wicked. She's out here turning, look at Jamaican people them against each other. It's for honor to wake up and know say this woman is wicked. Hello, me not say this because me I try jump up on Team Donna. Me not say this because me I try jump on Team Chris. Me I say this because this is what me should have done long time. Me should have come out to come talk the truth. Tina Chin, you come out here, you war with. I want people to date you war with. Me go talk about the list of people you war with out here. A wall heap. Donna and Chris and Chalkin and these days like them kind of at the end of the list. Like where down on the list? Go back to the beginning. When Sheena Carter did all of charity, are you because you make Sheena Carter down on social media because you help bring her down. He's a dog, he's a damn dog. I mean not because you chode. People like you will help bring down Sheena Carter, talk the truth. On the talk the truth. Anyone when they pass social media a long time, on if you talk the truth. It's Tina Chin. Marian Waters is very problematic. She is very problematic and she love war. She don't feel good if she do in a war and confusion and contention. That woman, she don't feel good. 99.9% of the time. I don't see Donna. I don't see Chris. I don't see Chakta, Vanilla, even Michelle, even Leisha. What she love come to cuss. I don't see not one of them. I don't see not one of them trouble. Not one of them. As she always come out here and fling them and class them. And then if they want to come on, some will come out and they will face her directly. The people like Donna, you would never see Donna come out here and face the directly. Donna will more fling shade. Donna will more fling shade and keep it pushing. Donna not calling him, not calling him. And most of that other thing, it's like today, when Donna go and call him name, me crutches, me tell you, in crutches, I go so. In crutches that clap because I in love when Donna call him name. She love when Donna call her name because she feel like so when Donna call her name, she feel big and special and mighty. Girl, why not try to push for Donna to call her name to do good things and not the nasty way out there though? You know, see, is a damn fool. Cause let us be real. Donna, Donna, you don't have to like me, girl. But me tell you the truth, Donna could have helped to elevate your little career path. So